It's for you and me. Take a little time, see the butterflies, listen to the birds. That was set to sing for you. Dapat mo malaman, sa puso ko ikaw lamang ang nag-iisa. Yes, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on and so